चलो अभी बोल देती हूँ. Actually, I think it's Raghav.
He's Raghav only.
Raghav is the certified value. Very good,
you took
Raghav.
that
Well done. Raghav, आप कोई winning speech देना चाहोगे?
मेरी विनिंग स्पीच मेरे बाल देंगे क्योंकि मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से ये सामने ये लट सीढ़ी कर लिया. नहीं विनिंग स्पीच नहीं यार, मैं बस शुक्रगुजार हूँ इस इंटरव्यू का. नेटफ्लिक्स का जो 190 कंट्रीज में आता है और आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस.
Okay, and I'll close with this question. Coming back to that question, कि कुछ myths रहे हमेशा इस इंडस्ट्री को लेकर, बॉलीवुड को लेकर, some perception that people have had. Tell me what is the most misunderstood thing about this industry? Now that you are a part of it, you are able to understand and see it better. क्या चीज सबसे misunderstood है?
I think like even with this show, like when my friends watched the trailer, they were like, yeah, you must be chilling on set, you must be coming on set, just gallivanting around and shoot ऐसे ही हो गया होगा, not realizing there's so much work that goes behind it. And Aryan, being the hard task master that he is, he was just like, you know, wanting takes after takes and variations. So we all put in a lot of, like, it's a lot of work. People don't realize the work that it takes to make something. So that's a big myth.
Right.
मेरा भी मतलब यही था, मतलब मोरलेस हमारा सेम ही रहेगा ये चीज़ कि जब आप भारी दुनिया से आते हो आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे काम सिर्फ ना नेपोटिज्म के चक्कर में होता है या इन चक्करों में होता है या प्रिविलेज की वजह से होता है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. जो भी इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं, अगर हमारी बात पहुंच पा रही है यहाँ तक, आप मेहनत कीजिए, ऑडिशंस दीजिए, लाइनों में खड़े रहिए, जैसे आप कर रहे हो वैसे ही करो. कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, कोई फॉलोअर्स के पीछे मत जाओ. जो है मेहनत करो. एक दिन ये बैठा है यहाँ, मैं भी बैठा हूँ. It all happens. और हर किसी की जर्नी अपनी अपनी होती है. सर की अपनी जर्नी थी, right? So we all have our journey. In spite of being an industry kid, he had to go through what he had to go through, and now he's, you know, he's a star now again, and we are proud, and we are proud to be working with him. But यार वही है, मेहनत करो अपनी और ये सब चीजों में मत घुसो. होना होगा, हो जाएगा एक दिन अपने आप.
बिल्कुल. Raghav, do you agree?
या बिल्कुल ये कंप्लेन बॉक्स बन के बैठने का वो बहुत ओवर बैंड की तरह स्ट्रेच हो जाता है ये टॉपिक. ये मैं बताना चाहूंगा सबको कि तुम्हारे में तो ये होता है ना, अरे हम कोई मार्स में थोड़ा रहते हैं यार, इंसान ही है यहाँ पर, और वही होता है. तो ये एक है. यस,
I think this myth of women not getting along on sets and fighting, and not supporting each other. I think it's not true at all. I've met some wonderful women. I mean, unfortunately, we didn't have a lot of scenes together, but post we've been chatting and helping each other. You do fall back on your co-actors, and you're lucky to have people who kind of lift you up. It's nice.
Yeah, you're right. This female rivalry, this is not getting catfight.
Yeah. I have some wonderful friends who are females from the industry.
Correct. Thank you. And Bobby sir.
Maybe nothing. I can only say that Baz of Bollywood is all about what you asking us, the myths of Bollywood.
Yes.
And it's an exaggerated and funny version of all those things you read on your social media, and that's why it is so funny. It's exciting. It's got drama. It's got emotion. It's a complete commercial kind of a movie which has been broken into 7 episodes. So that's what I'm excited about.
Bobby sir, please आप बताओ, because you, like, stardom today is so different, but when you started out, stardom was completely different. And to be a star, I mean, there was a difference between being an actor and being a star and a hero. What has kept you going? What has kept that faith and belief?
See, I just believe that yes, everybody wants to think they're unique and they have some special qualities, which is what keeps you going. You know, like सितारे बहुत होंगे लेकिन आसमान एक ही है. But that's how we all believe. That's what takes us forward in life. You know? And somewhere when I started my career, obviously I was from that whole debate of insider outsider. I mean, I didn't tell God make me come. I mean, I was lucky to be born in the Deol family. So I was part of this family and I didn't ask for it. It just happened to be my luck and blessing. But yes, I started off my career really well. I became a star for the first 10 years of my career, and I never took it so seriously. I never understood what stardom meant, because for me it was about enjoying my work. I always believed that everybody has space to be a part of this industry. Why does there have to be only one star? But that's not the way the system works. But I always believed that way, and somehow things just started slipping away from me, and then obviously I went through whatever I went through, and in between obviously you give up. We all give up somewhere. Each and every one of us must have given up at one given moment. But what has kept them going is the reason why they're sitting here today. You know, I think it's self-belief and more important is your discipline that keeps you going forward. Because discipline नहीं होगा तो बिखर जाता है आदमी. और मैं कितनी कोशिश करता हूँ. The most difficult thing is to be disciplined. And that's something I've been really working hard on. And I think definitely I knew there was something special about me. That's why people accepted me in the beginning of my career. So, and that's how my journey was. And I'm just happy being Dharmendra's son. My father is one of his kind. There can't be anyone like him. And I think each and every one of us feel the same about our parents. So even if though I'm saying that, it is everybody's story, not just my story.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm just happy, and I'm so lucky to be a part of Aryan's first project. You know,
Yeah.
the child is again a child born in the film industry, and for him to prove himself is not that easy. But I have seen him work. I've seen his conviction. I've seen his fire. I've seen his discipline. I've seen his energy, and I know he's going to make a name for himself. You know, and that makes me happy. It's amazing, and yes, it's on Netflix, and it's in
190 countries.
so it becomes even more bigger.
Yeah. Right.
You know, it's Red Chillies, and it's on Netflix, and it's Aryan's first show. It's Shah Rukh's son, but he's going to make his name. He's going to have his own identity.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. But you know what makes me very very happy is so like imagine एक actor जो ऐसे ऐसे करके entry करता मारता था and आज वो I mean that transition that you had from
but,
such a this guy to becoming a baddie now is fabulous.
But I think that's what every actor dreams about.
Yeah.
Not just playing that one
Yeah.
stereotype kind of role which you keep getting. You know, I have seen all that, I've done all that, so I don't need to think about that. I'm looking at other options and other choices which I can choose from.
Yeah.
And I think that's amazing to happen to any actor.
Absolutely. We'll play a fun game. Okay. It's called Certified Baddie.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you questions, and at the end, हमें एक result मिलेगा. Basically, whoever gives the most interesting, quick, sassy answers will be certified as the baddie.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.